I made it to Morro Bay. There's Morro Bay. It's not the best weather though, I have to say. The Morro Bay, the rock is actually kind of big. I guess this is the Morro Bay. There's somebody going fishing or rowing to go fishing. This is the most attractive place here. It's some kind of a nuclear power plant. Morro Rock, I guess, up close. And there are some spectators here watching people walking by. I'm guessing this is for like the tsunami warnings. I didn't realize that death from drowning happens once in a lifetime. I guess this is like a place where you can go and change. That's kind of nice. Or either that or people go to the bathroom behind there. And you can have a fire here. All the way at the end. They're like a little black birds. There are like hundreds of them, I feel like. Okay, and those guys, they are waiting for the wave, I guess, to come. Come on, I want to see like a big wave. I want to see somebody surf. Now, if it wasn't for that power plant, it would be really nice here. Let's see what they're cooking. You want to catch it, don't you? How you doing? What are you guys making?
Eggs and bacon.
Sounds good, smells good. Are you guys from here?
We live in Hermosa Beach, but we're from London.
From London, really? Oh, good.
How about you?
I'm from Poland, but I live in like 3 hours from here.
Oh, nice.
Enjoy your vacation. Thanks. Watching the squirrels. Where are they? There were like 3 squirrels. They're like next to this kid's feet. They're not scared of people at all here. They're like right between people's legs. Now if, hey, leave that. If, oh, they're like wrestling over there. That looks more like Arizona here. So anyway, Arizona is on this side and California on this side. I kind of like that beach with the dunes in the back.